Good morning students. Welcome back to grammar lecture. In last lecture I explained you the past tense and its different types. Which different types are there of past tense? Simple past tense, past continuous tense. It is also called past progressive tense, past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. These are the four types of past tense. I have explained you the verb forms of all the tenses and their usages. Let's quickly revise the verb forms of past tense. Simple past tense, we will use the second form of the verb with all the pronouns and the subject. Remember it well, for affirmative sentences in simple past tense we will use second form of the verb. For negative we will use did and main verb. With did we will use main verb for negative, and for interrogative also we will use did. Then past continuous tense, with I, he, she, it we use was and ing, verb ing in affirmative sentences. Because it is continuous tense, so ing will be there in with all the verbs, with the verb in all sentences. So I, he, she, it was plus verb plus ing. Then with we, you, they we will write were, W-E-R-E, and verb ing, were working. Then for negative, simply put not between was, were and verb ing. It means simply put not after was or were. Okay, he, she, it, I was not working, we, you, they were not working. It's very easy. For interrogative, place was or were in the beginning of the sentence to ask a question. Then past perfect tense. What is perfect tense? Past is had and perfect is V3. Okay, so had plus V3 is past perfect tense, and here only the one verb is to be there, and I, we, you, they, he, she, it, whatever the subject is given, you will write had and V3. For negative you will write not after had, and for interrogative you will place had in the beginning of the sentence. Clear? Then past perfect continuous tense. It is past perfect, so we will use had plus been plus, as it is continuous we will add verb ing. Okay, then what will be the verb form? I, we, you, they, he, she, it plus had been plus working. For negative, I, we, you, they, he, she, it plus has plus not plus been working. Understood? It means not will be placed immediately after had, and for interrogative had will be placed in the beginning of the sentence. Clear? Then I gave you homework yesterday, exercise 3 in notebook. I hope you have done the homework. See students, you have to maintain the notebooks because it will be very difficult to write all the notes together. So you will complete the notes whenever you are given the homework. In exam, the tenses will be asked in the form of interchange of tenses. For example, here in exercise 3, the sentences are given in present tense and you have to change the sentences into past continuous tense. In the same way, you will be asked in exam any tenses. Okay, you will be given the instruction in bracket and accordingly you have to do. Clear? Okay. For exercise 8, again I am giving you the answers because it is not visible. Okay, if you want to take screenshot you can. First one is, they dash for an hour when they dashed the doors of the theatre. So they had been waiting. They had been waiting. They had been waiting for an hour when they opened the door of the theatre. Then second one is, Suman dashed for almost 2 hours. So Suman had been singing. Suman had been singing for almost 2 hours before the concert concluded. Second form of concluded. Third one is, Rajan dashed throughout the day before his mother dashed him up. The here before is given, it means the first action will be in past perfect tense and the second action will be in simple past tense. So here Rajan had slept. What is the third form of sleep? Slept. Rajan had slept. S-L-E-P-T. Slept throughout the day before his mother. Second form of wake is woke him up. Fourth number, the hospital dash the specialist before they dash the treatment of the patient. The hospital had consulted before they started. Clear? 5 number, they dash the examination until all the students dash. They had not started. They had not started the examination until all the students had been thoroughly checked. What is the second form of check? It is checked. Clear? Then exercise 9. There is an error in each sentence of this passage. You have to identify the error, underline it and write the correct word in its place in the space given. For example, the writer was 12 years old and she used to. Here used to is the wrong word and the correct word is usually. Okay, the whole paragraph is given in the form of sentences here. All the sentences are linked with the previous sentence. Okay, so take this in your mind, keep this in your mind and find out the mistake. Stay with her grandparents in North Karnataka. She used to stay. So she usually stayed because it shows the past habit. So we will write stayed. Second form of stay is stayed with her grandparents in North Karnataka since there are. R is wrong and what is the correct word? Were. There were very few diversions. The entire family eagerly wait. Because we are talking about the past time. So the verbs will be in past tense. And what is the second form of wait? It is waited. Waited for a weekly magazine called Karamveer. What is the mistake here? Call. And correct word is called. C-A-L-L-E-D. Second form of call. 6 number. This magazine is publishing a famous. Again, is given. And what is the past of is? It is was. The magazine was publishing a famous novel Kashi Yatre as a serial which deal. What is the second form of deal? Dealt. D-E-A-L-T. Dealt. With the heroine's struggle, visit Kashi. Visit. Here we will not write visited. If you read the previous sentence, then you will know what to write. Novel Kashi Yatra as a serial which deal with the heroine's struggle to visit Kashi. So here, what is the correct form of visit? To visit. It is called infinitive. Do you know what is infinitive? Infinitive. Infinitive means to plus main verb. Main verb. To plus main verb is called infinitive. So here we will write to visit with the heroine struggle to visit Kashi. Since grandmother believe in Kashi Yatra, believe. So here we will write the second form of believe, which is B-E-L-I-E-V-E-D. Believed Kashi in Kashi Yatra as a pilgrimage. She would. Here we will write she could. She could identify with the problems of the main characters. Characters is not a verb, but mistake is there. Main characters नहीं होता है, main character होता है. Okay, singular will be there. CHARACTER, character. Understood? Exercise number 9. Here, exercise 10 is take any person you admire. He or she can be a sportsman, a leader, an actor, or even a relative. Write 10 sentences about him or her using all 4 forms of the past tense. This exercise you do not need to write, but instead I'll give you one sentence that you will write in your notebook in all the forms of past tense. Only past tense. Means affirmative, negative and interrogative. Affirmative, negative, interrogative for all the 4 forms of past tense. It means 4 3s are 12 sentences you will have to write. Clear? And which sentence it is? The chemist. I think this sentence I have given. The chemist sells medicines. This sentence you will write in all the 4 forms of the past tense. Understood? Simple past, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. Clear? Note down the sentence. The chemist sells medicines. Now, here are the verb forms which I have written. It will be helpful to you in writing the sentence. I have given affirmative, negative and interrogative as well. You can use these verb forms and write down the sentence which I gave you just now. The chemist sells medicines. Okay? Write down this sentence in all the 4 forms. How will you write? You have to write using the verb forms which I have given here. Okay? Now quickly revise the usage of different tenses. What is the use of simple past tense? Simple past tense is used to show the actions which have been finished before the time of speaking. Okay, it means it becomes past. The actions which have been finished before the time of speaking is simple past tense. Simple past tense is also used to express some past habit. Here, the sentence is given to show the past habit. Past habit. What is the past habit of father? To read the newspaper before going to office. Here, my father always read the newspaper before going to his office. This was his past habit. Clear? Then you have to keep in mind that in simple past tense you will use the second form of the verb, and for interrogative and negative you will use did, and with did we will use main verb. Clear? Then for question also we will use did in the beginning and main verb, and your simple past tense is over. Then comes past continuous tense. See, I am giving you tip to remember the tenses. Past means to be, was, were, and continuous means ing, and ing is to be added always after the verb. V1 means first verb. Okay, it means past continuous tense will was reading, were reading. With singular you will use was, and with plural you will use were, but for you in singular also we will use were. Clear? And for negative, put not after was or were. Put not after was or were. And for questions, use was or were in the beginning of the sentence. And when do we use past continuous tense? To express an action in progress at some moment before the time of speaking. If we want to denote an action which was going on at the time of speaking, before the time of speaking, we will write it in past continuous tense. Then we use, this is the important point, we use past continuous tense for the longer action and the simple past tense for the shorter actions. For example, here two actions are given. I was checking my car tires, my friends arrived. The action of arrival of friends is shorter and checking of tire is a longer action. So the longer action is in past continuous tense. I was checking my tires, car tires, and when my friends arrived. Understood? Past continuous tense. Then past continuous tense is used to refer to repeated actions in past with always or forever. For repeated actions we will use always or forever. In lower classes it is given in grammar textbook that always is there. It means it is present tense. But it is not so in all the sentences. For past habitual actions or repeated actions we use always or forever. So don't be confused in these sentences. Anuj and Sheila were forever fighting about their possessions. तो अनुज और शीला हमेशा अपनी चीज़ों को लेकर फाइट किया करते थे. ओके, एक्शन वॉज गिवन इन द पास्ट, लेकिन वो हमेशा करते थे. दैट्स वाई फॉर एवर और ऑलवेज इज गिवन एंड दैट बिकम्स पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. Then past perfect tense, positive and negative both. It is past perfect, so had will come. Then perfect means V3 will come. Perfect tense means always V3. Always V3 we will write in perfect tense. Here it's very easy because with all the pronouns, with all the subjects you will use had. There is no other option like present perfect tense. In present perfect tense we use has or have, but in past perfect tense we will use the only word is had, and as it is perfect we will write V3. Clear? So had not sung, hadn't sung. Then for questions, write had in the beginning of the sentence, then subject and then V3. Clear? Now see the usage. The past perfect tense is used when we wish to say that some action had been completed before another was started. यानी कि दूसरी शुरू नहीं हुई है, उससे पहले फर्स्ट एक्शन है वो कंप्लीट हो गई है, और जो फर्स्ट एक्शन है वो पास्ट परफेक्ट में लिखी जाएगी. ओके. वी हैड इटन आवर डिनर बिफोर द गेस्ट अराइव. द सेकेंड एक्शन इज़ द गेस्ट अराइव एंड द फर्स्ट एक्शन इज़ वी हैड इटन आवर डिनर. तो गेस्ट आए नहीं थे, उससे पहले हमारा डिनर हो गया था. दैट्स वाई इट विल बी इन पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. क्लियर? The verb expressing the previous action is put into past perfect tense, that I explained. See how to make the first of all you will underline the actions, then find out which action was completed first, and that action you will write in past perfect tense. See here in exercise 6, he had visited many towns, he returned home. 2 actions हैं. ओके. यानी कि घर आने से पहले उसने सारे टाउन्स विजिट कर लिए थे. सो फर्स्ट एक्शन इज विजिटेड मैनी टाउन्स, सो इट विल बी इन पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. सेम थिंग विल बी इन सेकेंड सेंटेंस ऑल्सो. हैड बीन रीडिंग एंड बिफोर शी अराइव. ओके. Then third one is had finished, I called him. Fourth one is the rain had stopped when we came out. And fifth one is his father died. Then comes past perfect continuous tense. Break the words and you will know how to make the verb form. Past means had, continuous है इसलिए हमें been लिखना पड़ेगा, प्लस V1 प्लस ing. had been sing ing, had been singing. Okay. So I, we, you, they had been singing. He, she, it, they had been singing. For negative we will use I, we, you, they hadn't been singing. He, she, it, they hadn't been singing. And for question we will write had in the beginning, then put the subject and then been singing. Okay. Don't change the order of had and been. Been will be after the subject, had will be before the subject. Clear? We use the past perfect continuous tense to refer to an action which had been going on continuously up to the time in the past that we are talking about. यानी कि पास्ट के जो टाइम की हम बात कर रहे हैं वहाँ पर उस टाइम तक वो एक्शन चल रही थी, वैसा बताने के लिए पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस यूज़ होता है. ओके. एक्सरसाइज 8 shows this thing only. Then exercise 9 is very important. Try to understand it. The writer was 12 years old and she usually. Okay, usually. Here you have to underline the wrong word and write the correct word in the space. Stay, stayed. Are, were. Wait, waited. Call, called. Is, was. Deal, dealt. Visit, to visit. Believe, believed. What is the spelling of believe? B-E-L-I-E-V-E-D. Believed. As pilgrimage she would. Here we will write could, because it shows the ability of identifying. So we will write could. The problems of the main character. Here it is given wrong. As is given, but we will write the singular of this verb. Okay. Then the verb forms are given at the end of this video. You can refer, or in textbook also it is given, so you can write from there only. and one sentence I gave you to change in all the 4 tenses of past tense, and the sentence is the chemist sells medicines. This sentence you have to write in all the 4 forms of past tense. Only for past tense I am talking about. Clear? Understood the chapter? I revised it 2-3 times because tenses, this chapter is very important for all the years. Okay, I hope you understood, and will do the homework. Exercise 9 is homework in notebook. Okay, exercise 9 is homework in notebook. So that's all for today. We will meet in next lecture. Till then, bye. Have a nice day.